Good girl. Uh-oh. Good girl. Okay, we gotta find the rest of them. Having some issues there, aren't you? Did you lay an egg? Good girl. Good job. Where's the rest? Maybe there's some more in the kitchen. Go look in the kitchen. Do you see that one? See it? See it? Yay! Good girl. I think you found them all already. You're fast. Let's see. Let's go over here and look at your toys over here in the corner. Maybe there's one there that you didn't see. I see one. I see one. Oh, good girl. Yay, you found them all. Yay. You found them all. I'm going to keep looking anyway.